guys, welcome to our next journey from Audrey channel. Today we're going to open the last egg. Hope it's the fourth.
Yeah, the last one from the egg minions egg. Well, we have a lot of eggs, different types of surprise egg.
Okay.
We got some chocolate surprise, minion, frozen, all sort of toys.
Yes, we do.
And we need your support. What's
Now
that?
we got a third one of these.
Oh, still good. At least no more eraser.
Why? You always talking about eraser.
Yeah. You don't give your tape.
You need eraser?
Yeah, I don't need eraser. I use ball pen. That's why I don't use eraser.
Now what if you write something wrong?
Yeah, nowadays I don't write that much. I use computer to type and print it out.
Lazy.
Yeah, when I was a kid, I write a lot of things.
Do you write English or Chinese?
Both English and Chinese.
But what do you write more often?
Oh, actually, we go to Anglo school. We learn much. Only one subject is in Chinese. All the others are in English.
Oh, it's so cool.
It's more
When I
than
do
you.
this, the minions are giant.
Yeah.
But if you do this, they're so small.
Can I have a close up with that?
Yes. Here. I'm holding it.
It's shiny.
Okay, so we got more tape or washi tape.
Yeah.
Many tape. Okay, so bye, guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And share our videos on all our social medias, which is Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whatever you want to. Share our videos. So,